Challengers Bangalore up. Last 3 years of performance RCB has been very, very disappointing. They finished 8th in 2017, 6th in 2018 and finished 8th again last year. They'll be looking to turn their fortunes around this season. RCB are known to be one of the most underachieving franchises in the history of the tournament. But I feel like the tag is a little bit unfair on them. They are 3-time runners-up and only CSK and Mumbai Indians have reached more finals than them. The weight of expectations on this franchise is possibly the reason why people feel like they are underachieving. இப்போ நம்ம அவங்களோட இந்த வருஷத்தோட ஸ்குவாடை பார்ப்போம். ஒரு பெரிய சேஞ்ச் நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா they've changed their coaching staff. They've brought in Mike Hassan as director of cricket and Simon Katich as their head coach. The two of them together have tried to put together a balanced squad for RCB. RCB has always been known to have imbalanced squads. Their batting has been always very powerful, but their bowling very weak. They've tried to change that this season and they've gone all out and got Chris Morris. They've also bought Dale Steyn and Isuru Udana to try and cover up for their weak depth. If you look at the batting department, they've gone out and bought Aaron Finch to bat at the top of the order and provide some leadership in the team. They've also bought young Australian wicketkeeper batsman Josh Philippe. If he gets a chance, it will be interesting to see how he goes. இப்போ நம்ம அவங்களோட பொட்டன்ஷியல் லைன் அப் என்னன்னு பார்ப்போம். ஆரன் ஃபின்ச் கண்டிப்பா ஓபன் பண்ணுவார், பட் அவரோட பார்ட்னர் யாருன்னு தான் கேள்வி. Parthiv Patel has done a very good job for RCB over the years. But if you look at RCB's pre-tournament videos on various social media platforms, one thing that is interesting to be seen is the fact that AB de Villiers has been keeper. This goes to show that they're trying to accommodate AB de Villiers as a keeper and possibly means they'll be trying to give young Devdutt Padikkal a chance to open the bat. Devdutt Padikkal has done really well for Karnataka in all formats this season and he's a very promising cricketer. Number 3 and number 4 la pathina, they have Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers. They are two of the best batsmen in this tournament and their partnership has been one of the most successful ones across the history of the IPL. Number 5 la neenga pathina, they have an interesting option. They have Moeen Ali. He provides them with an all-round option. He's a good off-spinner and he's been in good form with the bat for England. Number 6 la pathina, they have a couple of options. They can use Shivam Dube, who has recently made his debut for India in limited overs cricket, or they can go with Gurkirat Singh, who has also represented India in limited overs cricket. Number 7 la pathina, they look to use Chris Morris. They have paid a lot of money to bring him in, and there'll be high expectations on him to provide them with good finishes with both bat and ball. Number 8 la pathina, they have the option of using Tamil Nadu's Washington Sundar. Last 2 years of pathina, RCB has not made best use of Washington's abilities. He is known to be a specialist power play bowler in T20s and has been doing that job consistently for India for the last 2 years. The reason for this could be the fact that their home ground in Bangalore is not suited to spinners. But with the IPL now being played in UAE, I expect Washington to get an extended run of games. Number 8 ku avangaloda innor option ennu pathina, they can play a left-arm spin bowling all-round. They have the option of playing Pawan Negi, who has represented India at T20 level, or Shahbaz Ahmed, who they have bought this year. இப்போ அவங்களோட bowling department பார்ப்போம். Leg spinner Yuzvendra Chahal கண்டிப்பா ஆடுவார். He has been one of their most consistent performers and the RCB will be looking at him to give them another good season. Indian fast bowling department la பாத்தீங்கன்னா they have 3 options. Umesh Yadav, who is excellent with the new ball, and then they have Navdeep Saini and Mohammad Siraj. They will have to play 2 of them and they'll hope they give them some good performances this year. அவங்களோட backup options யாருன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா Dale Steyn இருக்காரு. They also have the left-arm fast bowler Isuru Udana from Sri Lanka. Udana is known to have some good variations and is also very useful with the bat. இன்னும் ஒரு interesting option நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா they have gotten Adam Zampa as a replacement for Kane Richardson. If they see a pitch that is conducive to spin bowling, they could very well put Adam Zampa into the left. அவங்களோட key players யாருன்னு நம்ம பார்ப்போம். எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும் AB de Villiers and Virat Kohli are the 2 most important players this team. And in the version kuda, if the RCB are to be successful, they will need the 2 of them to have big seasons. Innor player neenga pathina Chris Morris. At the number 7 slot la, he will be very crucial for them. He will have to provide them with big finishes with both bat and ball to help the RCB be successful this year. RCB will be hoping that the squad they've put together this season will help them bring their first title. If you like this video and for more such interesting content, please subscribe to Filter More.